You are going to love the 2022 RX 350. The RX 350 offers a driver-inspired design and intuitive technology that puts you in total control of your interior. Paired with a spacious cargo area and a powerful V6 engine, the RX 350 continues to offer the best combination of powerful performance and interior luxury in its class. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.